Hello friends, today we shall discuss about topic the Agile Project Management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam or PMP in near future. So friend, Agile Project Management is basically a flexible and a collaborative approach to manage a project. It emphasizes breaking down the project into very small and manageable pieces called iteration or sprints, which allows team to adopt the changes quickly and deliver parts of the project incrementally. The key concept involved in agile project management are iteration, or we can say sprint as well, which is basically a short fixed length period, usually 1 to 4 weeks, during which specific parts of the project are completed and reviewed. Backlog, a prioritized list of tasks or features to be completed. Daily stand-up means short daily meetings to discuss progress, plans and obstacles. Review and retrospective meetings that held at the end of each iteration to review the work done and identify improvements. User stories means short descriptions of a feature from the end user perspective. Scrum Master, a facilitator who helps the team follow agile practices. Product owner, the person responsible for defining the features of the product and prioritizing the backlog. Here friend, if we talk about example, just take an example that imagine you are managing a project to develop a new mobile app using agile project management. So the first step is the project planning, means that you and your team write down all the features and tasks needed for the mobile application. These are known as user stories. This is called as creating a backlog. For example, user story might include, as a user I want to log in with my email and password. This is one user story. Or as a user I want to see a list of my recent order. This is another user story. Then sprint planning means that at the start of each sprint you select a few user stories from the backlog to work on based on priority and team capacity. Okay, for example, for the first sprint you choose user login and user registration user stories. Then executing the sprint, that is first thing is the daily stand-up. That means your team meets every morning for a quick meeting to discuss what they did yesterday and what they plan to do today, and if there are any obstacles or showstoppers they are facing, they can discuss. For example, in the daily stand-up meeting, a developer might say that yesterday I worked on the login screen, today I will connect it to the database. I am having trouble or facing issue with the API, can someone help me with that? So in the daily stand-up meeting, if any person has technical knowledge, so he can discuss with him, he can guide him what is the problem he is facing and help to try it to solve that problem. Then review and retrospective, that means at the end of the sprint you review the completed user stories with the team and stakeholders. For example, you demonstrate the login and registration features to the product owner who provides feedback. Then sprint retrospective, that after the review you hold a retrospective meeting to discuss what went well, what didn't well, and how to improve in the next sprint. The team might decide they need to communicate more clearly about dependencies between the tasks. Then adjust and plan and the next sprint. So that means based on the feedback and the retrospective you update the backlog and plan the next sprint. For example, if the product owner suggests changes to the login process, you add these changes to the backlog and prioritize them for the next sprint. So the example outcome are the app development progresses in manageable chunks, allowing for regular feedback and adjustments. The team stays aligned and focused through daily stand-ups and clear communication. Any issues or changes are addressed promptly through regular reviews and retrospectives. Stakeholders are regularly updated and key can see incremental progress leading to higher satisfaction. So the benefits of agile project management are flexibility, that means ability to adapt to changes quickly. Incremental delivery means regular delivery of small parts of the project. Continuous improvement means regular retrospectives help identify and implement improvements. Stakeholder engagement means frequent reviews keep stakeholders informed and involved. So in summary, agile project management is about managing projects in small flexible pieces that allow for continuous feedback, quick adaptation to changes, and regular delivery of project parts. This approach helps ensure that the project meets user needs and stays on track even in a changing environment here as well. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching.